This storm ain't gonna be what they say it's gonna be. It is 11:18 Thursday. I'm just finished editing. Just doing the finishing touches. I went over it, yeah. I don't know, for those of you who edit vlog or whatever. Well, I know, Crystal, you do it. Like, we watch our stuff over and over. You gotta make sure, you know. Because sometimes I post stuff and I'm like, oh, fuck. I didn't catch that. I mean, nothing will ever be perfect, but you know, you just want to be happy with the product you put out there. Hold on. Catch me in the vlog doing regular shit, so I can't vlog. That I'm gonna try the cheesecake thing again, but definitely I'm gonna get a smaller yogurt, and I'm gonna make it plain, and I'm gonna get the Biscoff. The Oreo, it was like you could take two. Like for me, like I took 2 spoons of it. After like I don't like it. Still Thursday. It was a good day. It's still early. What time is it? It's still early. It's like I ain't picked up the camera much. Been chilling. 9:25. Still early. I'm gonna start this movie over. It's called Bone Lake. It's number 10. Forced to share a secluded man. Happy Friday. We made it. 9:43. I'm at work. I got up and did what I needed to do. Everybody's preparing for the snow coming. Girl. In these streets.
Good morning.
Outside. I'm like, oh, I gotta go take out the garbage. I'm like, oh my God. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 13 degrees Fahrenheit.
Tubi. I just finished editing and waiting for the video to finish processing, converting. And I'm watching YouTube on my phone. It's relaxing. Saturday. That's what Saturdays are for. Relaxation. What are you doing? Catching up. What are you doing? Catching up on Law and Order. Happy Sunday, y'all. The snow has begun. I thought it would start later. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:31 a.m.
The snow has begun, son. Oh. Holy sugar booger. I guess they were right, because this snow coming, goddamn, it's only 8 o'clock. Holy shit. So, and if this is 8 o'clock and it's doing this, I couldn't get out I drive a Jeep, but the devil? No. No, and I got time. How you doing? And it's only 8 something, so this is going to be what they said. Lordy. I'm gonna have to go back. I'm going back in my bed. I just came out. Got to use the bathroom, and yeah. Crystal got me watching the Amish Stud. I saw the name. I thought something was something different, but I read up there. I was like, okay. Let me see what this is about. Let's check out what the snow is doing.
Functional mushrooms and more unreal flavor.
Help them. I hear people shoveling. Ooh, girl. That shit is gonna be up to. I'm gonna show y'all now. We check on it later. So I just open the door so you can see. Girl. They ain't lie. The winter. Still strong. Yeah, still snowing. Is he trying to shovel out his car? What is he doing? What up, y'all? Happy Monday. So, they say it's supposed to start snowing at 8. Like 8 to 12. It's not going to be nothing significant. But, yeah, they should be coming to shovel here today. Can't see my steps at home. Winter Wonderland. I'm good. Just letting you know the landscapers are on their way over here. It's the front and the side. Those are the concerns. The front of the house and the side. There's a car parked by you can't see it, by the hydrant. I don't care. As long as you ain't blocking the driveway, I don't give a shit. Park by the hydrant because if anything happened, the fire if anything was a fire or something around here, they'd fuck and they couldn't reach they'll just break through the people's car. That ain't my problem. You want to park at a hydrant? Go ahead. So I don't know, you can't really see, can you? I don't know, it's not picking it up. So the cleanup has begun. Yeah, they doing it. It's a lot of fucking snow. Okay. He breaking it up. Good morning. How you doing? Oh, he rests his coffee and everything. It's not gonna be cold. He drinking his coffee and he put it in the snow. It's just that ain't gonna be cold, nigga. You know something like that. There's 2 of them and they go around the whole house. And them days are over. I'm 50. You know, when I was living before I started renting. Oh, I gotta clean up that barbecue, the dust from when they was doing the renovation. I've been helping. Them days are over. Them days are over. I've done, to help out, but it's never been my responsibility, and it's enough is enough, yo. Pay somebody to do that shit. It's cold. My God, it's cold. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 22 degrees Fahrenheit.
22.
Today, expect a high of 29 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold. It's supposed to snow, they said, between 8 and 12, but it didn't snow again. Yeah. I'm watching Rizzoli and Isles. I watched it, here and there, I watched it, but nah, this is my type of shit. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, he cleaned it well. Yeah. It's a great company. They do the grass and stuff, and yeah, and they landscaping. They do everything. So get that snow. Get that snow. So they're making a pathway, so either of our cars can come out. How you doing, sir? Yeah, it's crazy.
That's a lot.
Yeah, and this is all this stuff they didn't think about this. I mean, when they bought this house, they didn't think about all of this stuff. All of this stuff didn't come into a corner house. In my opinion, it was the worst thing. I would never, ever buy a corner home.
Yeah, all the time.
Or if it was, it wouldn't be this much, it'd be smaller. You understand? Because this is crazy.
All the houses, the corner houses, are the same.
It's crazy.
In the summer, that's a lot of
Yes.
In the winter, that's the same. In the fall, a lot of leaves. All of these coming in the corner houses.
Exactly. And
I know.
They didn't think about this, and I'm like, look.
And then you don't have the big trees here, right?
So everything just.
Yeah.
And then they come, of course, the snow, and they just pile up the snow here.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I told him, look, this is what it is. You got big house, big money.
I understand the stupid city.
Why do they do that? Why people have to come out?
Like, why do you pile it up? They don't care.
That's fine.
I don't understand that. Like, you could push it to the corner, stop.
Yeah.
You just pile up. Like, come on.
Yeah. All the time that's the same with the
All the
city.
time they back. Like, you see it's a driveway. Why are you gonna pile the snow on someone's driveway?
Yeah, I know. Ahí está la de fierro adentro, viejo. ¿No? ¿Más fácil con la de fierro?
Right now they're making a space that, you know, we can get out of either way. Either, you know, either car can get out, in and out. Hopefully the stupid ass snow people don't come and fucking push the shit back. But I think going in and out, like, at least, you know, it will make a, You trying to decide where to put the snow?
Because I say to my guys, this car, they need to park here, right?
I don't know whose car that is. They just come and left their car there. So my thing is put the snow in front of it. I don't care.
No, yeah. The truck, they come to clean.
They could have put the snow there, but the car's blocking it. Yeah.
That's right.
Let's see. I wonder. I have the email. You know, where's my phone? Did I take my phone out here?